Happy Monday, everybody. Dr. Leslie Apgar coming at you live from Greenhouse Wellness. We're doing our Medical Monday today. Got the lovely Sierra behind the camera. If you need anything, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to just write in and Sierra will let me know any of your comments or questions. Today we are talking about our featured strain and our featured special. It's good all week long, and I know some of you guys have already put this in your shopping carts, and that's awesome because when it's gone, it's gone. We're talking about AK-47, okay? AK-47 is sort of a sleeper. People don't realize how powerful this strain actually is. It's a mid-range. It is great for all kinds of things. I'm gonna get into all of that. First, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about exactly what is in AK-47. So the THC is 13.3%. And what people don't sometimes realize, guys, is that THC is a very, very, very potent molecule, and it is potentiated or made stronger by the different terpenes that are in the plant, and this strain has a lot of cool terpenes that are going to make that THC a little bit stronger. But I'm going to talk a little bit more about that. CBG, it has a little bit, it has 0.2%. It also has a trace of CBD and CBN, okay? Now, as far as terpenes, it has some awesome terpenes. It has alpha and beta pinene, so it's gonna be really good for concentration and focus. It has myrcene, which, as everybody knows, increases the permeability of the blood-brain barrier, makes it more potent. It's what's in mangoes. We talked to you guys about if you need to potentiate your effects of cannabis, you have some mango before you ingest it, and you're gonna have a bigger effect. It also has carine, which is, funny enough, good for bone growth. Terpenine, everybody, well, not everybody, but most of you know that terpenine is good for cancer, so that's a good one for if you're fighting cancer. Cymene, which is an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal. And then it has limonene, which is always the great mood elevator. It's also good for the gut, so it's really good for inflammatory bowel disease. Eucalyptol, which is also called cineol, is an anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial, so that's great. So what people describe with AK-47 is a very mellow feeling, relaxed, but still able to concentrate and get things done and able to focus. So great when you need to get some tasks done. Great if you have chronic pain or inflammation or inflammatory conditions. It does not put you down. It lets you still be functional, which so many of our patients are asking for a daytime strain. So it gets your creative juices flowing, but allows you to keep concentration going, and it's just great for pain. So our special, 2/8 of AK-47 plus a gram of AK-47 keef for, wait for it, $99, okay? And like I said, I know some of you guys have already taken advantage of that, and it's in your shopping cart. The other thing I wanted to let you know is that we're all out of the Larry OG shatter. That went really fast, but happily we have a few more of the Deadhead OG 1 grams for $40. So get those before they're gone, guys, because I know we only have a little bit left. And then the last special was to remind you that if you bring a friend, and this is again up at the end of the week, but if you bring a friend with you or you send a friend in who is new to our dispensary, you guys both get 20% off, which is fantastic. So definitely take advantage of that. So any questions there, Sierra?
Not
Awesome.
yet.
Anything else you think we should touch on today?
No, you covered it all.
Okay, so guys, just please understand that this is a fabulous strain. I promised you I would tell you a little bit more about the THC. And so what's cool about our special is that you can use the AK-47 8s as they are, but if you need to amp up, if you've got really severe pain or you need to have a potentiated effect or an exaggerated effect, that's where the keef comes in, and you can add that. And then now you've got the ability to titrate your flower or your experience to exactly what you need, which I do love. So it is a fantastic sale, and it's also fantastic medicine because, like I said, you can dose yourself appropriately and get the best effects that you need to help you with your inflammatory disorders, your chronic pain, great for mood elevation, for anxiety, great for inflammatory bowel disease. Okay, guys? So please take advantage of our special, and we will see you next Monday. Bye, guys.